Hello everyone. Today we'll be going through how we can set up a serverless backend with Serverless Framework and Go. I'll walk through the entire process, how we can use the Serverless Framework to create a full backend cloud infrastructure, which will include your APIs and the database, and deploying your entire backend onto AWS. We will be using AWS as our cloud provider. To start off, head over to the AWS console and create an IAM user. Ensure the user has programmatic access. Subsequently, you can just allow the user to have administrative access, just for this example. Finally, make sure that you have stored the access key ID and the secret access key somewhere. Right now, you can open a terminal. Please note that you should have AWS CLI installed already, and you can proceed to call AWS configure to configure your credentials that you have created earlier on. The rest can be default and you are done. Ensure that you have installed Serverless Framework globally by running the command below. This will take a while. We will now proceed to use the Serverless Framework Go template to help to configure AWS for Go. We'll name the project as Backend. Once the project is created, notice that we have a directory named Backend, which includes a serverless YAML file, and this file will contain all of the infrastructure, including the functions, possibly your database, etc. What we'll do next is to change your directory to the backend and initialize your Go modules. Notice that the AWS Go modules will be installed for you as well. We will now run the make file, which helps to build the Go dependencies and packages. Next, using the serverless CLI, you can proceed to deploy the entire infrastructure onto AWS. Once deployment is complete, notice that we have two of the default functions already deployed, hello and world. We can proceed to actually invoke these functions, and you can see the response coming back successfully. Since these two Lambda API functions are deployed, you can actually proceed to try and call them using Postman. As such, congratulations! You have successfully set up your own serverless backend with Serverless Framework and Go and deployed it on AWS. For now, this is meant to be a beginner's friendly step-by-step explanation on how you can do so, but if you have any further questions, feel free to leave comments and I will see you next time. Bye bye!